In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coin or pair to your favorites on the Binance website. Managing your investments efficiently often starts with organizing the assets you're most interested in, and Binance makes this easy with their favorites feature. Let's go through the process of adding a coin or trading pair to your favorites list so you can quickly access it whenever you need to. First, you'll want to sign in to your Binance account on their website, which can be found simply by navigating to Binance.com. Upon logging in, you'll gain access to the full feature set available to you as a Binance user. Once signed in, the next destination is the Markets section. You can reach this by moving your mouse to the top menu bar, where you'll find Markets. Clicking on it will present you with various options, and here you'll choose Spot if you're simply interested in basic trading inputs. Alternatively, if you're already familiar with the website's trading features, clicking on Trade and then selecting Spot can also seamlessly guide you into the trading interface. Now that you're on the right page, it's time to locate the specific coin or trading pair you wish to add to your favorites. The tool that does the heavy lifting here is the search bar, conveniently placed for you to enter the ticker or name of the pair. For example, BTC USDT. Type it into the search bar, and you'll quickly see the corresponding pair pop up. Once you've identified your desired coin or pair, you'll notice a star icon that rests just beside it. A simple click on this star will add your chosen pair to your favorites list. This star icon not only symbolizes favorites, but is essentially your key to categorizing and customizing how you track the market pairs that matter the most to you. This feature is consistent across both the Binance app and the web, which provides a streamlined experience no matter where you access your account. Now, you might be wondering how to view these saved pairs. Whenever you want to review or trade your favored pairs, simply head back to the Markets section on the top menu and select Favorites. Here you'll find all your saved pairs neatly listed under Favorites, Spot Markets. This convenience ensures that even amidst the multitude of available options, your chosen pairs are always just a click away. By following these steps, you can efficiently keep track of your investments without the hassle of repeatedly searching for your preferred pairs. Utilizing the favorites list on Binance can significantly enhance your trading experience by saving you time and helping you focus directly on your most essential investments. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy trading.